What's going on, everyone? It is day number 22, and it's raining a lot. We're in the shelter, and we're delaying the inevitable, but that's where we're at. A lot of fun, a lot of community, a lot of characters, and not a dull moment. Definitely a good day to just hang out before starting to hike. So, see you all soon. Still raining. Just put on my wet clothes. We're about to get going. It's gonna be a good day. Wet day. Good day. See you soon. Okay, so 5 miles in, it's 2 p.m. and we're gonna crank out another 12 miles to Gatlinburg. We're gonna get in at like 9 p.m. at night, and we're gonna suck, so I'm probably not gonna do much footage today. I love you guys. Hopefully I don't die. Hopefully no hypothermia. K-Bar, any last words?
God bless us.
All right, let's go. It's 11:54 p.m. and we finally made it to the hotel. Took a quick shower. We even got the cab driver to stop by McDonald's. So it's been a pretty good day. We didn't get done hiking till about 9 p.m. give or take. But wow, 18 miles. I'm not doing that again anytime soon. But yeah, I'm exhausted. I'm ready to go. And I'm ready to sleep in. And then things are supposed to ice over tomorrow, so glad we got out of there. We have some friends that are, a few miles behind, but whew, wow, what a day. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna take a zero instead of hiking 6 miles into town and staying the night. Then we're gonna have the whole day to ourselves. So with that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sorry I didn't have much content today, but again, we just hiked and hiked and hiked. It's the day-to-day thing. Talk soon, everyone. All right, we got some good old-fashioned sock washing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is great.
This is great footage, isn't it?
This is what happens when the hotel advertises that they have a washer and dryer, but they don't actually have a washer and dryer because it's broken. So, K-Bar, thank you for your service.
Going old school.
New York City. New York State's pretty.
Beautiful.
This is crazy.
Yeah, it is. I don't know what that means. Many people in Tennessee.
There's not.
I never even heard of it. I've heard of it before.
I've heard of Gatlinburg.
You don't have to. I don't want to try to do it anymore.
What's going on, folks? coming from you live from the floor of room 205 at the Days Inn in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We've had a fantastic 0 day. We resupplied. Got all my snacks and stuff over here. About to pack that out for tomorrow. But yeah, we did 18 extra miles yesterday so we can get into town and have a ton of fun today, which we did. Yeah, we're closing it out. We got a shuttle picking us up at 8:15 in the morning. Hopefully get on the trail by, let's say 9 o'clock. Go 10 to 12 miles and then take it easy before getting to Standing Bear Farm within the next couple days. So it's been a great 0 day. And I appreciate you guys all following along. Also, to give you an update on my my urinary tract issues, they have subsided. Did not go to the urgent care clinic, but still not a fun experience. But I'm glad I was able to pass. So with that, we'll close out tonight. Love and miss you guys, and we'll talk soon.